girl Terriana and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Hey. In my video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to make a ring light for great lighting. The good part is, instead of paying hundreds of dollars for a ring light, you could get one for under $25. And here are the supplies you guys need. You get everything from Walmart, and I'm going to be showing you guys everything you need before we get to the video. Show you guys the stuff. I made this. I want to get a ring light because you guys can see I don't have the best lighting, but the lighting is alright. So basically, I'm in college right now and I'm not able to afford buying a ring light right now, having to pay for expensive books and stuff. So I was like, I could just make me a ring light. Like, everybody is creative. You might not know it, but everybody is creative. So what you guys will need is this wire rest form, and it should be in the flower section. It is 18 inches. They have 20 inches, 14 inches, but I got the 18 inch. This is about $2. It's expensive, but it's really good. It's a little expensive, but it's worth it. This is the most expensive thing on it. So next you need some zip ties. Trust me. These are not expensive, but they're a little bit up there. I'm pretty sure you guys can go to like 99-cent store and buy it, but I got everything at Walmart, and everything came out to about $22.68. So it's under $25. So I spent less than what I expected to spend. Next, you need some Reynolds wrap, some foil. I got Reynolds wrap. You can actually get this from the dollar store, but my damn self. Then you will need wax paper. And the next thing you need is a piece of cardboard so you can tricks around this size. So yeah, let's get into the video.
To get started, we're gonna put your wire form on the cardboard and trace it. Now it's time to cut it out. Either you can use scissors or a box cutter, but be careful because I cut myself 2 times. As y'all can see, I was struggling. I really was. This was harder than I thought it was gonna be. I should be done anytime now. All I'm doing now is cleaning up around the edges to make it more presentable. Now it's time for the Reynolds wrap. All you're gonna do is take a piece and wrap it around the cardboard. It doesn't even have to be neat. You could wrap it around either hot dog style or hamburger style, but I did hamburger style to get more coverage. all done. Now it's time to take your LED lights out of the box because you're going to start using it on your wire form. All I'm doing here is connecting them together, so I won't have to do them at the end. Now you put the LED lights on top of the wire or next to it. It doesn't matter. Then you take your zip ties and you tighten it on up. You do this process all the way around until the LED lights are all used up. Now you're gonna get ready to start wrapping it around the second time. Now it's time to zip tie the cardboard down. It's the same process. Now it's time to cut the zip ties. It's best to use scissors. I started with box cutters and they're very hard, so I had to go buy some scissors. As you can see, the scissors are way easier to use and I didn't cut myself. Now it's time for the last step. You just take these and you just wrap it around like you did the foil, and then you take some tape and you tape it down. It doesn't have to be neat. So this is how it looks when you're done. Doesn't it look great? Now it's time to try it out. This is no light, but when you plug it up. Look how bright it is. It's like a ring. Hold it. Hope you guys enjoyed this video as much as I did making it. So like, comment, and subscribe for more videos.